Metabolic Cooking is a set of 9 cookbooks with 250 quick and easy recipes you can cook to help you burn fat fast. The recipes are full of fat-burning foods that are easy to put together for busy people on the go. Some of the recipes include tasty dishes like these below. We all know that losing weight has a lot to do with our diet and the foods we eat, right? Well, these recipes and lists of foods are to help accelerate fat loss and boost your metabolism. Yes, some foods actually accelerate fat loss. Here is a list of everything that is included in the Metabolic Cooking set. 9 cookbooks. Over 250 recipes. The Nutri-Profile system makes it easy to see at a glance what nutrients you are getting out of each recipe, so you can make informed choices without having to dissect every ingredient list. The cardinal cooking rules, 10 requirements to keep in mind when you are cooking and eating. The Fat Loss Optimizer Cooking and Nutrition Guide. The Metabolic Salad Builder and Metabolicious Dressings. The Thermocharged Seasoning Guide. The Supplements Optimizer Guide. Metabolic Cooking Quick Sheets. Bonus cooking video series. Additional resources like pre-made grocery lists, suggestions for purchasing ingredients and kitchen supplies, a glossary for cooking, and food logs you can use to track your eating. Benefits of metabolic cooking. So, what exactly is metabolic cooking? And how does it work? Metabolic cooking is a plan that is designed to boost your metabolism so that your body burns more fat. Yes, by eating certain foods and food combinations, you can help speed up the fat-burning process. It is called the thermogenic effect. And it has to do with how many calories you'll burn as your body breaks down the nutrients when you eat certain foods. Do you see how this can benefit your weight loss goals? By eating the right foods to kickstart your metabolism, you can speed up the fat loss process, reaching your weight goal faster. And since the recipes are tasty and easy to make, you can keep the weight off too if you keep eating this way. Metabolic Cooking Story. Self-proclaimed lean kitchen queen, Karine Luzier, has set out to turn the dieting cookbook industry upside down with her metabolic cooking plan. Karine is a psychologist who, after hearing so many stories of people struggling with their weight, decided it was time to do something about. Combining her passion for people and love of food and fitness, Karine and her partner, David Ruel, also known as the Muscle Chef, created the Metabolic Cooking Plan. What we loved about metabolic cooking. So, what's the fuss about healthy metabolic cooking? Why should you bother trying it? Those were the questions that ran through our minds when we first found out about it. After trying it and seeing the results myself, we can assure you it's worth every penny I paid. What benefits you're getting out of metabolic cooking? We find the metabolic diet recipes and quick and easy to prepare. Plus, the ingredients are simple and easy to find. We didn't need to go grocery searching for them. We didn't get bored with repetitions. Metabolic Cooking contains over 250 healthy and delicious recipes. Check the end of this metabolic cooking review to know what the metabolic cooking contains exactly. If you are as strict as we are with calories intake, you'll find this greatly benefiting. Metabolic cooking recipes each contains a nutrition profile mentioning the total calories, the grams of protein and carbs. You may review this as a bit much, but others review it as amazing as you don't have to count for yourself. There are no complicated terms in the book. We found all of the instructions are easy to follow. The recipes all contain between 5 and 10 steps, so you don't have to worry about trying to review a complex recipe with hundreds of ingredients. Although I'm not a vegan, something we like about metabolic cooking is that it contains a lot of vegetarian recipes that will be of great aid to some people. We also found out an interesting fact about purchasing Metabolic Cook. If you didn't like the book, which is very unlikely to happen, no problem at all. The Metabolic Cooking has 60-day money-back guarantee. What we thought could have been better. Metabolic Cooking could have explained a bit more about the principles behind the recipes. It could have included a workout plan for people who prefer to have a full weight loss plan. Not for those who have a very tight schedule and have no tolerance for staying for a couple of minutes in the kitchen.